Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southeastern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:45 p.m.
Holy fuck.
At 3:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes.
Look at the green. Jesus. They're probably
Are there separate ones like for storm versus like tornado? Like are there different sounds or are they all
they're all the same. They're all going off because there's a tornado warning. But reason they sound different is because they're different models of sirens. Holy fuck. Look how fucking green it looks. Look at this cloud right here. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Yeah. I hadn't seen one like this in a long time. Fucking hell, man. I think just radar indicated. I don't think there's one on the ground. All right, take care. Now here come the winds. I'm getting the fucking side. Fuck this. Appearing on the fucking Look at these fucking winds! Jesus Christ! Oh my God. Look at these winds, Jesus!
Oh my God! Look at that fucking tree! Oh man! Now that look at how it's bending.
Yeah, that basketball hoop's gonna go.
That's what I just was saying.
Freaking, how are they bending?
I guess we won't have to see Kyle. Oh, I called that one. I didn't even get to finish my sandwich. I got one weather radio connected to power here, or batteries. Other ones are all plugged in, so this will be the only one on when the power goes out.
Oh, I thought that was thunder.
Help the bear.
I'm gonna close this door if it's alright with everyone else. Just in case it gets ripped open.
You want to lock it? We should lock this front one.
Well, that's what I just did.
Oh, you did? You locked
Oh,
this
not that one, no.
Put a lock on that. There. I'm going in the garage.
As a true Midwesterner would do during a tornado warning.
Going to the garage.
Yeah, right? Fucking hell. The neighbor was out there on her porch with those dogs, and me and Dad were talking to her.
Shit, those trees are pretty precarious too for their house.
No kidding. Waiting for that basketball hoop to go.
I don't know what's good that room first wind, so maybe it made it through. Oh, I know. It's good out there. Look at this. I'm in a dry spot.
Yeah, it's all dry right there.
Yeah, and I'm the one getting smacked in the face.
Hey, same. I'm real surprised we have not lost power yet. It keeps going. Yeah. Yeah.